Hi, my name is Winimayvia Jawai, anak Valley. So in this video, I will share how to configuring a zone-based policy firewall ZPF. So this is a topology has been configured. The objective is verify connectivity among device before firewall configuration. Configure a zone-based policy ZPF firewall on R3 and verify ZPF firewall functionality using ping, SSH, and a web browser. The scenario: ZPF are the latest development in the evolution of Cisco firewall technologies. In this activity, you will configure a basic ZPF on a edge router R3 that allow internal host access to external resource and block external host from accessing internal resource. You will then verify firewall functionality from internal and external hosts. Okay. Before we start, this is addressing table. Okay. We start with part 1, which is verify basic network connectivity. Verify network connectivity prior to configuring the zone-based policy firewall. Step 1. From the PCA command prompt, ping PCC at 192.168.3.3. Okay, we go to PCA. And then go to desktop, command prompt, type ping 192.168.3.3. It is replying. Then we go to step 2, access R2 using SSH. Question A, from the PCC command prompt, SSH to the S0/0/1 interface on R2 at 10.2.2.2. Use the username admin and password admin PA55 to log in. So we go to PCC, then desktop, command prompt, type SSH L admin 10.2.2.2. We enter password admin PA55. Okay, then question B, exit the SSH session. Type exit. Okay. Then step 3, from PCC, open a web browser to the PCA server. Question A, click the desktop tab and then click the web browser application. Enter the PCA IP address 192.168.3.3 as the URL. The packet tracer welcome page from the web browser should be displayed. Close the browser on PCC. So we go to PCC, then web browser. Then enter the IP address of PCA, which is 192.168.1.3. So here welcome the packet tracer, the best things. Okay, then we close the web browser. Okay, So we continue part 2, create the firewall zone on R3. Notes: for all configuration tasks, be sure to use the exec name as specified. Step 1. Enable the security technology package. Question A. On R3, issue the show version command to view the technology package license information. So we go to R3, enter, we enter the password Cisco conpa 55, enable Cisco conpa 55, then type the command show version. So the security is none. Okay. Question B. If the security technology package has not been enabled, use the following command to enable the package. So R3 config terminal, then type license boot module C1900 technology package security K9. Yes, we accept. Then reload. Exit. Copy. Run start. Then reload. Okay. We enter again the password conpa 55, enable Cisco conpa 55, verify that security technology package has been enabled by using the show version command. So the security has been enabled. So we continue with step 2, create an internal zone. Use the zone security command to create the zone name in zone. Config terminal, then type zone security in zone, then exit. Step 3, create an external zone. Use the zone security command to create a zone named out zone. So zone security out zone, exit. Next, part 3, identify traffic using a class map. Step 1, create an ACL that defines internal traffic. Use the access list command to create extended ACL 101 to permit all IP protocol from the 192.168.3.0 source network to any destination. So we type access list 101 permit IP 192.168.3.0 0.0.0.255 any. Then step 2, create a class map referencing the internal traffic ACL. We use this command, class map, type inspect, match all, in net class map. Sorry. Match access group 101 AZ. And then part 4, specify firewall policies. Step 1, create a policy map to determine what to do with match traffic. Use the policy map type inspect command and create a policy map name into out pmap. Type policy map, type inspect into out pmap. Then step 2, specify a class type of inspect and reference class map in net class map. Use this command, class type inspect in net class map. Step 3, specify the action of inspect for this policy map. The use of the inspect command invokes context-based access control. Use this command, inspect no protocol configured in class internet for inspection. All protocol will be inspected. The issue exit command twice to left config pmap c mode and return to config mode. Exit. Okay. Then part 5, apply firewall policies. Step 1, create a pair of zones. Using the pair zone security command, create a zone pair name into out z pair. Specify the source and destination zone that were created in task 1. We use this command, type zone pair security into out z pair source in zone destination out zone. Then step 2, specify the policy map for handling the traffic between the two zones. Attach the attach a policy map and its associated action to the zone pair using the service policy type inspect command and reference the policy map previous create into out pmap. Okay, we use this command. Service policy type inspect in to out pmap, then exit. Okay, step 3, assign interface to the appropriate security zones. Use the zone member security command in interface configuration mode to assign G0/1 to in zone and S0/0/1 to out zone. First interface G0/1 zone member security in zone, exit interface S0/0/1 zone member security out zone. Part 6, test firewall functionality from in zone to out zone. Verify that internal hosts can still access external resource after configuring the ZPF. Step 1, from internal PCC, ping the external PCA server. So we go to PCC, then command prompt ping PCA IP address .1.3 the ping should succeed. Okay, it's a success. Then step 2, from internal PCC SSH to R2S0/0/1 interface. So we just copy this, then enter the password. Is admin PA55. Okay, then is a success. Question B, while the SSH session is active, issue the command show policy map type inspect zone pair session on R3 to view established session. So we go to R3, then type show policy map type inspect zone pair session. What is the source IP address and port number? So here is the IP address and port number. Okay, Then what is the destination IP address and port number? So here is the answer. For IP address and for destination IP address and port number 10.2.2.2.22. Okay. Step 3. From PCC, exit the SSH session on R2 and close the command prompt window. PCC exit. Okay. Then step 4. From internal PC, open a web browser to the PCA server web page. Enter the server IP address 192.168.3.3 in the browser URL field and click Go. The HTTP session should succeed. While the HTTP session is active, issue the command show policy map type inspect zone pair session on R3 to view established session. Note, if the HTTP session times out before you execute the command on R3, you will have to click the Go button on PCC3 to generate a session between PCC and PCA. Okay, go to the browser. Then type 192.168.1.3. Go. Okay, the HTTP is active. Then go to R3. Type this command show policy map type inspect zone pair session. Okay, we do it again. Go to PCC, click go, then go to R3 again. So what is the source IP address and port number? So here is the source IP address and port number 192.168.3.3.1039. Then what is the destination IP address and port number? So this is the answer. 192.168.1.3.80. Okay. Step 5. Close the browser on PCC. Okay, the last one is part 7. Test firewall functionality from outzone to inzone. Verify that external host cannot access internal resource after configuring the ZPF. Step 1. From the PCA server command prompt, ping PCC. From the PCA command prompt, ping PCC at 192.168.3.3. Ping, the ping should fail. Okay, we go to PCA, then ping 192.168.3.3. Okay, the ping is failed. Then step 2, from R2 ping PCC. From R2, then CLI Cisco Alpha PA55, then ping her on PCC 192.168.3.3. The ping should fail. Okay, it is a 0%. Then the last step is step 3, check the result. Your completion percent should be 100%. Okay, so here is 100%. So that's all from me. Thank you.